I have the Sawgrass 500. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what all we have. Let's see. Keep y'all in frame. All right, so we have the installation kit, which has the inks and everything in it. So let me put this to the side. Okay. The instructions on that. Bear with me. Let me get some scissors. Okay, guys. Alright, and now the cords. Okay, now that I have it up on the table, so that way we can take a look at everything, we'll be taking all this off. Let me look at the instructions. Oh, and while we're waiting, or waiting on me, just give you a little bit on the Sawgrass 500. It comes with Print Manager, Creative Studio, Online Designer. It comes with the Sublimate sublimation ink. You also get a 2-year product warranty and in-house support. So that's nice. And then, okay, that is, alright, so it says refer to the ink. Okay. Oh, all your instructions, your setup instructions are right through here. So we're going to go through, and it's to unbox. Okay, now it wants me to take all the tape off. Bear with me, and I'll take all the tape off, and we will, there's some right back here. Little pieces. All right, I'm going to get the little nicks, the little ones, and bear with me, and I'm going to pause for a minute so I can get all those off and we can move to the next step. Okay, so I am ready to install my paper. You are going to install the paper with the right side down. You can see the text print on this side, and I do want to show you a key thing on here, because you can print 8.5 by 14 with this particular model. So it has a tray extension on it. You have 2 little mint green tabs right here. You're going to push those out, okay, and then you would slide that out for the extension on there, okay. But we are going to use letter size, so we're going to put those back in there. We're going to move that out. Okay. So just to let you know on this, if you see a green tab, that's going to move. So that way you're not forcing anything. Anything that is colored like a mint green or whatnot, that is meant to move. So that way you can, so you don't think that you're going to break anything. Okay. All right, and we're going to push that in. Okay, close that all the way. Pull that out. Okay, I'm going to, and the power cord is plugged in right here. So we are going to plug that in. Okay. All right. And then we are going to push the power. Let's see. Okay, just gonna wait a minute. And it also has okay, it says loading ink first time, wait and do not touch the machine for 7 minutes. So I will be back. Okay, so there was 12 little blue pieces along with this little foam insert to hold the printer head so it doesn't move around. So there was 12 of those. All right, so now on our instructions it says to open the ink bay. Okay, and it's this little piece right here. Okay, and we have the little tray slots. Okay, so here is the black one. This is the first one. Let's go ahead and okay. And this is the Subli-Jet ink. You see your little microchip, and then you see the little plug-in right here, and you have the color codes, the black, the blue. Okay, and so we are going to insert the black one. Let's see, right in there. Okay, okay, and you hear it kind of slide into that groove. So now, okay. And the blue one is next. And then you see, you have your little plug right there. Okay, so, okay, that one fit in there snug. And now we just have the yellow one.